Hello, everybody. As you can see, we have a new member for our channel. His name is Diffle. He is a 4-month-old parrotlet, and he's a he. And he is very beautiful. And he's a 4-month-old parrotlet that we bought from this store. It's called Our Feathered Friends, and he is cute. I mean, there's nothing really else you could ask for. He's like just chilling on this little plant that we have right now next to the window out there. And we just got him today, and he is a new member for our channel. His name is Diffle, and basically for short, like his nickname is basically, it's Duffy, and he is cute. So he's a parrotlet. Parrotlets are basically very, very small parrots. So this right here, it might not look like it, but he is a parrot. And yes, he can fly, and he's only 4 months old though. And we're thinking of training him tomorrow because the bird store said that you should train them before he grows up so that they get like used to you or something. And pretty much, yeah, this is our new member for the channel. He is a cutie, and his tail, man, it's colorful, especially under his wings. Now, I don't want to disturb him now, so you'll see his wings, under his wings, a few times in our channel later, because you'll be seeing him a lot in our channel now. And I'm also thinking of doing a gaming channel. It will not be good. It's gonna be inside of this channel, but this channel is basically gonna turn into a animal and stuff, shorts, gaming, Minecraft channel. So we saw the Warden video that got a lot of views, so we're thinking of doing some more videos like this, but mostly this cutie. Like, he's just too cute. And bye, everybody. Have a good one.